Ladies and gentlemen, in June this year after MCO period, it has been reported that an accident or a car crash involving a family has happened. The car crash was discovered by the police officer in charge 12 hours later after the accident. This means that the people on the road or the people in the same highway did not notice or did not know about the occurrence of the accident, which has resulted to the fatality of the family. Hence, we are from Group ETP71. We have came up with a device called Emergency Response Alarm or ERA or ERA. ERA is a device that has been designed to read the location of an accident and send it directly to the emergency unit. This means that the device detects an accident and it will directly send the location of the accident to the emergency unit so that the victim of the accident will get immediate help from the emergency unit. Hence, it is clear that the objective of this project is firstly to shorten the time taken for the emergency unit to arrive at the location of the accident, and secondly, it is to help the victim of an accident to get help without having anyone there.
According to Karim, road accidents are one of the major deaths and injuries in Malaysia. In 2001, the road accidents that were reported were 261,175 with fatalities of 5,230, seriously injured 6,942 and slightly injured 30,684. For this project, we referred to the existing advanced system in high-end cars and also software development such as Arduino Uno, GPS module and GSM module through an article Intelligent Accident Detection by Prachi, Priyanka and Kasturi. For design thinking application, we conducted an online survey where we had 175 respondents and we also had some feedbacks on our project. We also seek help not only from our supervisor but also from our respective lecturers.
Our team comprised of 5 undergraduate students from Chemical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Petroleum Engineering. Every week, our team leader, Akila, will arrange and manage a meeting while ensuring the workflow stays within schedule. Besides that, Akila is also responsible to perform analysis on economic consideration of the prototype. Meanwhile, as the secretary, I am responsible to keep record of minutes of meeting while perform analysis of the feasibility of the prototype. Our amazing designer engineer, Faris, mostly takes part in designing the prototype and secretary, while Wan and Harshini both works in research and development, where they research on suitable units for the prototype like sensor, car alarm and communication system. In methodology, the problem is firstly identified from Sustainable Development Goals, which targets on provision of good health and well-being. Next, we did idea brainstorming. In this method, we performed an online survey on 175 respondents to obtain their opinion on the effectiveness of our project. Besides that, we also obtained expert consultation from lecturers and seniors. Thirdly, in design selection, our design focused on 3 systems which work together to improve the victim safety, location accuracy and time precision. Hence, the 3 essential systems are comprised units of SRS airbag module, GPS module and GSM module respectively. Fourthly, we did a design concept and finally, we finalized our report.
This system requires a few major components such as Arduino board, GPS module and GSM module. The Arduino board functions as the microcontroller for the whole system. For the ERA system, we are using Arduino Uno since it has a simpler programming compared to other Arduino boards that are available in the market. The second major component is GPS module. GPS or Global Positioning System function to collect the location data of the car. We are using GPS type SKG13BL since it has a more compact design and required less wired connection. And finally, the third major component is the GSM module. GSM or Global System Mobile function to send the location data to 999 emergency team. GSM module of type SIM 900 was chosen because it has a higher range of connectivity and also have a simpler programming compared to other type of GSM module. This is the circuit connection of the ERA system. When the car engine is turned on, the ERA system will be in standby mode. If accident happen, the buzzer will produce a loud sound to alert people nearby. At the same time, the GPS will collect the location data and send it to 999 emergency team. Then, nearby hospital and police station is notified for further action.
Hence, for this system, we suggest 3 recommendations to put on. First, we will put a looping system to detect any forced accident happens. Second, we will ensure the time for the buzzer to lessen or reduce the panic feeling from the victims. And the third one, we will ensure the information system is sent not just to emergency unit 999 but also the nearest hospital, nearest police station and also next of kin of the victims. Thus, in conclusion, we believe that this system emergency response alarm are very useful for the society. Some death occurs due to the late response from the emergency unit. This ERA system would reduce that time delay and save many lives. Not just the cost of it is very minimum, but the saving of life of the very valuable life is very meaningful. We hope that with this system would help the community with the SDG of good health and well-being. So that's all from our group, from group 71. Thank you.